Skittles iced tea. You know what that is? It's a Long Island iced tea, but we Skittlefy it. Is that a word? Okay, so we're using a red Skittles for this one. You could use any color you want. Add in some vodka. So this is Skittles infused vodka. That's important, okay? Ice in our glass. Now we come behind with some rum. Y'all know the Long Island iced tea. Gin. What else in there? Huh? Tequila. Come on, keep it up. Triple sec. What else? Huh? Sweet and sour. Okay. Oh, and. That's right. Skittles vodka, homeboy. You saw us make it. You know it had to come in. And then we drop a little lemon lime on it. Now, regular Long Island would have Coke, but we're using Coke. Not that kind of Coke. The Coke soda. All right. Now, we get some crushed ice and we make a little bowl. Why? Because we want to fill that little bowl with Skittles, okay? So you could have a Skittles kind of nest. Oh, that's kind of weird, right? Like a Skittles nest. Stay tipsy. Enjoy the nest.